So you buy domain name, you buy hosting for hosting the WordPress and installing WordPress. Once you've done setup, there's a few things you have to do. First and foremost is security. A lot of the websites will be attacked with the spammers and hackers. So installing plugin like WordFence, which I'm using myself, this is like a top plugin. You go to the section of the plugin, everything in the WordPress is being set up from the plugin. You have to learn the interface. The face is pretty friendly. You'll get used to. Go to the plugin section, find, search for the WordFence or just security, and you will get the most popular plugins. You will take a little time to setting it up, but this will protect you like completely from any security problem in the future. Next step will be choosing theme and layout. So WordPress is all about themes in terms of when you want to change visual part. If you install the latest WordPress as of 2024, I would go with the one, it's actually the one I'm using right now for my own website, devonwhite.com, the default one, but I just switched it to the dark theme. The white theme, by the way, it's pretty cool as well, and you have options with the colors. So every theme have its options to configure. You go to the section of the theme and then you just play with the settings, both for the plugins and for the themes. Always check ratings and how many ratings. It's important. This is the way how you know the theme is high quality and widely used and supported, updated regularly. If you want to be your website mobile friendly, accessible, and be available and looking nice from every size of the screen, from small mobile phone to huge big screen like this one, it's important to go either with default or pretty good themes using personalization through the plugins. As I said, you install WordPress, you've done your security theme, then you go with the plugins. With the plugins, you can do a lot of stuff. For example, I've installed email subscription system. You can check it on my website as well. If you go to the section of the newsletter, or you can go to any article or blog post on the website, at the very end of, you have a one line where you can enter just your email address and subscribe to the mailing list. That's a brilliant way to collect the mailing list. You can install anything related to the search engine optimization tools. This is important if you want to tweak your content on your website to be efficient for the search engine optimization, for the maintaining, for the backing up. I myself used before Updraft Plus. That's just basically, it's another plugin